approach Outer Ring Road in time, lift bridge modification proposal planning by Vemula Sambaya. Using this provision of lift bridge to approach ORR. These are the advantages. Very less time to approach. Saving fuel, no need of long drive to entry. Your place is near to underpass is enough. Increasing vehicle life, no unnecessary drive. All human beings prepared lift instead of staircase. This is lift provision. Vehicle rush is less at entrances and exits. Because every underpass providing this provision. For new ORRs, no need of service roads and no need of crores of money to process land and laying roads. Wherever there is an underpass road in ORR, per each underpass, provide this lift bridge for entrances and exits. As per my provision to provide this lift bridge and approach roads etc., need 1000 to 2000 square meters area parallel to ORR is enough.